I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360 we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done.
How did we get here?
That's a great question. So in 2018, I saw the need for a quality contractor that was going to provide premium customer service and a quality product and do what they say they're going to do. And that's what my goals and focus are for this company, and it's provided a lot of opportunity for us because of those goals that we've set for the company. We communicate with our customers, we provide a quality product, we show up when we say we're going to, and that's what most customers are looking for. What I've found is in the Central Coast, there's a lot of contractors who don't do that. They either don't show up when they say they're going to, or they don't provide a quality product, or they just don't show up at all. And my focus is changing the narrative. Let's change the narrative on what a contractor is in the Central Coast. So as you can see, over the course of the last 5 years, we've grown a lot and we've really expanded into, covering the full Central Coast and providing that quality service from everywhere from Santa Barbara to Paso Robles.